Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to contact customer service on crypto.com. In order to do this, you first have to launch your crypto.com application. Now once you are on the home page, you need to tap on these three horizontal lines in the top left hand corner, and here you just have to scroll down and then tap on the option of settings. Now once you are in the profile and the settings page, you will have to tap on the option of support. Now here you will be able to see a bunch of different quick links to reset your password or reset your passcode, but as we want to contact to the customer service, you will have to tap on contact support option in the bottom. Then you will be landed on this contact page where you are going to see the option of send us a message or the messages section in the top. So you will have to tap on the send us a message and then you need to select your language. After that, you can start chatting with the customer support team of crypto.com. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.